Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to manually create a line. So I'm going to shoot each point on my line. So what I've done is I've got my project open, I've hooked up to my internal GPS, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the orange plus button in the bottom right corner. That's going to open up my Add New Record Type. I'm going to select my line option here, and now what I'm going to do is every position I want to save a vertex for my line or a point on my line, I'm going to click the Add button. So you can see here as I move around, I'm going to be able to draw this line with those points. So as I go to each corner here, you can see I quickly draw the line. When I've got that line fully entered, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the check mark where it says Finish here at the bottom right corner to save my line. And once I've clicked finish here, I'm going to get my new line record information, and I'm going to be able to enter any information I have associated with this form. So in my case, I've got a name, description, attachment, some line geometry, and the date and time I recorded that point. And once I have that all entered, what I can do is I can click save either in the top right corner there or the middle button down below, and that will allow me to save this record and have it ready for any export I need to do or any staking or anything like that within Uinta. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you manually create a line within Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.